Nurture the nature so we can have a better future. Saving the environment is critically important for the health and survival of all life on Earth, including humans. Today, I stand before you not just a student or a citizen, but as a concerned voice for our planet, our home. We often hear the phrase, nurture the nature for a better future. But what does it truly mean? It means realizing that trees, rivers, sky, and ocean are not separated from us. They are part of us. They give us the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. Yet in our pursuit of growth and convenience, we have forgotten to give back. We take but rarely do we protect. Look around. Forests disappearing. Animals are losing their homes. The climate is changing rapidly, bringing extreme weather, droughts, and floods. Our earth is crying for help. But are we listening? Now it's time to act. We can no longer wait for someone else to fix things. Change begins with us, with the small step we take every day. Say no to single plastic. Plant trees. Conserve water. Walk or bike instead driving. Speak up for policy that protect our environment. You don't have to be a world leader to make a difference. Every action matters. Every voice counts. Together we can lead the generation that heals rather than harms. The generation that nurtures rather than neglects. Let's make it our mission to protect the planet, not just for ourselves, but for every child, every animal, and every future generation that will make Earth. Let us nurture the nature for a future that is green, clean, and full of life. Thank you.